DAJA A8 Laser Cutter Engraver, high precision, high efficiency laser engraving machine for wood, metal, acrylic, tumblers, leather and more. Unleash your creativity and productivity with the DAJA A8 Laser Cutter Engraver, a professional-grade engraving machine engineered for precision, power, and performance. Whether you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, DIY maker, or artist, the DAJA A8 is designed to help you bring your ideas to life on a wide range of materials with exceptional accuracy and speed. Advanced laser technology for superior results. The DAJA A8 is equipped with a high-powered laser module that delivers clean, crisp, and detailed engravings on both soft and hard surfaces. From delicate patterns on leather to deep etching on metal, the A8's precision is unmatched in its class. The advanced focusing system ensures that even the most intricate designs come out sharp and accurate. Versatile material compatibility. One of the DAJA A8's strongest advantages is its ability to work with a broad variety of materials. Whether you're engraving personalized wood signs, cutting intricate patterns in acrylic, branding leather goods, or customizing stainless steel tumblers, the DAJA A8 handles it all with ease. Wood, ideal for custom home decor, signage, or engraved gifts. Metal, perfect for industrial tags, custom tools, or personalized tumblers. Acrylic, creates stunning LED signs, displays, or decorative pieces. Leather, engrave wallets, belts, bags, and other leather goods with precision. Tumblers, add logos, names, or custom designs to drinkware for resale or gifts. Built for business efficiency, the DAJA A8 isn't just a tool, it's an investment in your productivity. With its fast engraving speed, long operational lifespan, and low maintenance design, this machine is perfect for high-volume operations or daily professional use. Its robust structure ensures stability during operation, while the intuitive software interface makes design import and setup quick and easy, even for beginners. User-friendly operation. Designed with creators in mind, the DAJA A8 offers a seamless user experience. It supports various file formats, JPG, PNG, SVG, DXF, BMP, and more, making it compatible with most popular design software. The machine also features a clear control panel and simple connection options, USB or wireless, allowing you to start engraving within minutes of setup. Safety and durability you can trust. Built with safety and durability in mind, the DAJA A8 includes protective housing around the laser module and cooling features to prevent overheating. It's a long-lasting, reliable solution for hobbyists and professionals alike. Perfect for small business owners creating custom products, DIYers and hobbyists expanding their creative toolkit, personalized gift makers and Etsy shop owners, maker spaces and creative studios, industrial prototyping and branding. Product features: high-precision laser module, supports engraving on wood, metal, acrylic, leather, tumblers, and more. Fast engraving speed with consistent quality. Compatible with multiple file types and design software. Stable, durable build for long-term use. Easy-to-use controls and software interface. Unlock new possibilities with the DAJA A8 Laser Cutter Engraver, where precision meets creativity.